In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add forms to your Squarespace site using Jotform. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, sign up participants, or simply enhance your website's interactivity, adding a powerful customizable form can make all the difference. First, we'll begin by heading over to jotform.com. Here, you'll be welcomed by a variety of sign-in options. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, by entering your email address and password. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll land in your Jotform workspace where the magic happens. Now, navigate to the specific form you'd like to add to your Squarespace site. With your form open, look towards the top of the page for the Publish tab and give it a click. This is where we'll get our necessary embed code to integrate your form with Squarespace. In the Publish section, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll select Platforms. In the search text box, type in Squarespace and select it from the drop-down options. What we've done here is align Jotform specifically to a Squarespace format, which ensures your form will look great and function properly on your website. After selecting Squarespace, you'll spot an embed code presented prominently on the page. Be sure to click the Copy Code button, effectively placing the code onto your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now it's time to head over to your Squarespace account. Navigate to the page where you want your form to appear. You'll enter into editing mode by clicking Edit on that particular page. Next, find the area where you'd like to place your form and add a new block. You'll want to select the code block from among the options presented. With your new block in place, you can paste the previously copied embed code into this section. Simply right-click and select Paste, or use your keyboard shortcuts to accomplish this. Instantly, your form should appear within the editing window. Now, one of the major advantages of using Jotform over the native Squarespace forms is the extensive range of form templates and customization options at your disposal. Whether you want a simple contact form or something far more detailed, Jotform offers versatile settings to suit your needs. Plus, a crucial feature to note is that Jotform allows for file uploads directly through your form, an option that Squarespace's native forms currently lack. Incorporating Jotform into your website is not just about showcasing a form, it's about creating an interactive experience. By collecting information from your visitors directly, you can enhance engagement, gather essential data, and ultimately generate more leads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial enhances your Squarespace site's functionality. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content, and happy form building.